Hello everyone, Casey here with Modern Witch Doctor. So today I'm going to do, once again, another video that's straying away from the foraging and the medical plants. Right now it's obviously winter, there's not too much to be found, and I have many hobbies, so I figured I would start incorporating some of my other hobbies into my videos. So what I'm actually going to do today is condition one of my primitive bows using bear grease. And I wanted to basically talk about the bear grease for a minute and just explain to you guys how of a wonderful conditioner bear grease actually is. So bear grease has long been used here in the Americas for many things. Its main purpose was a conditioner used for skin, hair, nails. It was also used as a food source, so it was a cooking grease or an oil. And it was also used as a conditioner to condition bows, to condition clothing and hides and anything that was leather and natural that needed conditioning. This is a wonderful natural fat or substance that can be very versatile. So I'm starting with some rendered down bear grease that I had actually made a few weeks ago, and I do have full intentions on doing a video on how it is that you render it down. I basically just rub the grease over the bow. Now, I will use a downward motion on both sides, especially the side that has the rattlesnake scales. I want to go the motion or the same direction that the scales are going. Now, for those that are curious, this is a Native American recurve horse bow. It is Osage, sinew, diamondback rattlesnake, and it was custom made for me by basically a friend. He also was nice enough to carve the Thunderbird in it for me, which is one of my favorite symbols. I continue to condition the bow back to front. Now, I use bear grease in many things that I make. I will incorporate this grease into lotion for dry skin. I will incorporate it into a healing salve for pain using a few other herbs that are healing. This is a wonderful conditioner and medicine, as I said. Now, with that being said, I am not advocating towards obviously going and killing a bear just to get the grease in the medicine. This is something that I honestly work out with hunters, people that are either bear hunters or they're controlling the game in the area, and there may be a nuisance bear that must be taken out. Now it's time to shoot. It's very important to keep or maintain the flexibility in your bow, especially if you're using it for hunting or a weapon. I am quite happy today how my bow feels and with my target practice. So if you're looking for a natural conditioner, especially for natural weapons or leather, even your hair, or possibly for a skincare, bear grease is an excellent source. It can also be used to be cooked with. There's just a lot of benefits to this natural grease. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again soon. Stay wild. For more Witch Doctor craziness, like and subscribe.